We are live from Manila, Philippines. So, good morning, everyone. It's morning time here in Manila, here in the Philippines. So, I'm going to cook fish and chips, guys, for our breakfast. Ayan. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to my live. Guys, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, guys. And for you are coming to my live, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, everyone. Okay. Hi, guys. Let me fix my hair. My hair is bothering. It's okay. That's the food. Let me fix my.
How was your test? Yes. Yes. I agree. Okay. No issues right
Because
here.
I know, right?
That's good. That's good. How's your class, Jade? Ano yung na dyan? No? How's your class, baby?
Oh,
So, how many score did you get?
pag-review.
Oh my God, you're gonna be genius then. Oh my God, I'm so proud of my son. He's so genius. You know, his score is 50 out of 40. Oh my God, I can't believe. Oh, excuse me, I'm doing live. Go wash your hands. Go wash your hands now.
Bakit ka daw mag-live every time mag-ano?
Okay, excuse me. Muna,
Saan ba sila yung kanina?
Kasi okay lang yan. Okay, so now, Jade, can you get me plate outside, babe? Get me plate outside. Go get me plate outside. Come on. Get me plate, baby. Plate.
Was it? Didn't I say remove his shoes over there? He'll have a lesson. Wait when he's gonna ask for iPad just now. Just sit there, I can hear. He'll have a lesson. Ha! You know your shoes are very dirty. You come from somewhere. Every day I tell him, when he comes, remove his shoes over there, wash your hands, Same dirty hands he's gonna eat french fries, he does everything.
This is very little, Jano. You want me to get away?
I thought fresh. What do you mean?
You don't know dispose
What?
the fish.
This is your fish.
I know.
No, this is my fish.
It's very little and the same.
My fish or your fish?
Your fish.
No. It's one whole pack. What are you talking
That's
about?
enough for you.
Serious? Joy only cooked one pack that day. And we all ate.
Talking about for dinner also.
Don't worry about it. Stop worrying things.
Okay,
I
Jaro.
got dinner. I got bindi. I said
Okay,
cook
then.
all because we need room in the freezer. And we have French fries also.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you're right.
That day you only cook one. That's why I was telling you that this time you all want going to eat. I would have told her cook all this. But anyway, you don't need to worry all the time. Come on. Why? I'm going to keep touching dirty. You don't want to remove your clothes? It's so important on the phone. Eh? Hey! So you don't remove your clothes, you're going to wear tomorrow. Bye, tell you. Ready, you put the table close?
Yeah.
Thank you. And charger missing.
What charger?
Where did you put the white charger?
What kind? Maybe I put in the box. Oh, the one I just charged you. You removed already.
Yeah,
The long one. So that's it. What kind?
Should be one kind or remember, there's two chargers there. There's only one now. So that's what I'm talking about.
The long one and the other one is there.
Only one here. The one from there. Just now take it.
There's another one more. I just charged it.
So where is it?
That's the charger. Okay.
So where is the charger?
It's in there, the head.
Eh?
It's in there in the box.
Where's back?
It's okay. I'm not using the. It's only one charger. I need that over there anyway. Hi. I'm going to cook fish and chips, guys, for our breakfast.
Hey, come on, hang properly everything. Come on.
That's gonna be our breakfast for today. Fish and chips.
Take out the underwear.
No, I have picture. Fast picture. Ay, 100. Patawag niya.
I'll give you 100.
Jed, yung exchange gift nyo is 200 pesos, right?
Ano yung sinigit mo di ako sa dama?
Oh, yeah, picture.
Since when did I...
Yeah, you
Wala
said
akong
that.
plano na magkasama.
You should be my secret. That's has a grade, you know that.
Hindi wala yung grade. Optional yung sinabi ng teacher.
Optional ba?
Oo.
Sure, are you sure you want to come?
100%. Because by the way, if I will be there, I will be just waiting while others are playing things, I will be sitting in the chair, watching others going in circles. That's what I will do all the day. And I will love the look for old money.
Did you spend any money today? What did you buy? What did you spend? Huh?
Yeah.
But he was the only man.
Yeah.
I don't know what was going to say. He doesn't care how much mess it is. Look, huh? They're just going to make him feel comfortable. He don't care. You know, this, fellow, that fellow, dirty people.
So I'm not the one who put this. I'm not the one who set this up.
I know, I want to.
Blame don't blame it.
No, I put this here because I want to lift the mattress. And I'm not going to engage you.
Why is it always me?
Don't cook too, it's only what we can eat at the. Don't tell me to buy extra. Other people take for the whole week groceries. So let the freezer is full. Cannot put anything. So when you want to start giving them, so you have some room.
Giving who?
No, it's outside. Why are you looking at this again?
Nothing dyan.
My girlfriend is hiding things from me. How do you know which one is tilapia? No, when you cook, when you finish cooking.
I'm gonna cook last.
Give him tilapia also. If he likes it, then we know next time, he can eat tilapia. This guy doesn't like anything, which is like not good. That's not the way things should be. Everything is like, no, I don't want this, I don't want that. Chicken curry, only one time he ate, you know that? Only one time. Yeah. Beef with the other chow pound, he don't like. He didn't eat. It's because it's vegetable. I don't know how this guy is going to survive.
I don't know if this is right.
It's not done?
It's done.
Okay.
Too much crunchy.
Okay, yeah, that's okay.
Too much
I won't
crunchy.
complain the being.
I want
After so many
complain.
years you doing it. You want white bread?
Yeah.
Well, there is no rice. If you want, you know, para do.
What am I gonna eat?
The mother is very.
Cooking time, guys.
You got tomorrow one time, you go have to do road.
Yeah.
Everybody's going to leave 9:30. Oh no, oh my God, it's going to be 10:30 these days. Yeah, that's still no time. Silva, you can actually the next
I
time
told
you
you
see you
I can take her off. But, ano,
no, well, it's up to you if you want to take out. I'm just saying. I look at this, you know. If A is equal to B is equal to C,
I can
but if minus B and then is A is
I can
still
still
equal.
do like at morning. I still can make money even though I can start. Actually, I make more money than I go work tomorrow.
Make more money, but you're not sure yet. You're not serious. I'm only saying that for you. I don't take your money. So begin to say like that, you know. Not like how you guys are. You go away to your husband, I'm gonna work. He's gonna tell
Okay, I
her.
will work tomorrow morning. Okay.
He's gonna tell her like crazy people. It's not to make money. Both need to work hard, save, have a budget, have a plan. Very important. Because you can never make money. What do you think? 90% of the population they say they don't know how to save money. There's only a few percent who know how to budget it, whatever they have. And the other ones just, don't have job, that's it. They have to keep working and working and working. They don't know what to do. They have money, they spend.
Some people don't know how to control. You know, maybe how much their salary. Hindi mo, still more than 100.
I'm only helping my girlfriend. So up to you then tomorrow then.
Yeah, I'm
What are you
gonna
going to
work.
tell your boss? No, what are you going to
No,
tell?
I'm gonna work na lang because I don't want her to have a reason that, oh,
Yeah,
you don't go to work but you don't
exactly.
live at home.
Yes, that is the problem because she's going to start thinking like this that
And
you
then,
are
oh,
not interested.
because of your, if your affiliate is affect your job, it's gonna say like that.
Exactly, she will. She's going to say that you don't want to work here anymore because you know, at home. So of course, after Christmas, she is going to tell you that. You know, that okay, tata, bye bye. And I don't want you to lose your job for no reason. So this is right here, very flexible. You can take off when you want almost. So that's it. I don't really want that.
Well, my job, it's not really that important if I lose it because I can make more than for the affiliate.
Really, you haven't got that check. You don't know
I only got
Is it?
the other one link. The other one link is legit. I confirmed it yesterday. Jano, Your hands is clean?
Almost. What do you want?
I just want you to try this.
Yes. One more.
But it's almost done anyway.
No, it's okay.
But at least you try.
It's okay. Try more than you can get in your mouth.
Oh, my hands is
Because I'm,
up.
don't worry. 'Cause
Come here.
I'm going to hang the clothes. Come on. I've got to things in my
By
life.
the way, do you want to see checkmate?
No, I don't want to say anything. We are very busy. We're very busy. And I know that. Oh, you got to be cooked from inside, darling. So if you put it on too much heat, the outside is going to cook fast.
Don't forget the plant.
I'm cooking fish on chips, guys.
At least the fish is cooked, I know, because the fish is soft. So I don't know.
Thank you so much for the thumbs up. transfer it. Coffee time. Hi, Tommy boy. Hello. I'm going to cook fish and chips for breakfast. I'm making fish and chips for breakfast. Be careful, you don't get burned. Yeah, I'm very careful because the oil is very painful. So right now I'm cooking the chips. I already did the fish, so this is the fish. It's actually a lot. So I'm cooking the chips now. So that's the fish. I cook a lot. Looks like this is a lot, right? It's like how many person gonna eat this? Well, I guess that's include dinner. These chips, these fish and chips like include already dinner, guys. You like also fish and chips, Tommy? Yeah, that's our ketchup. Actually, the Heinz ketchup. Come on, guys, let's eat. I'm still gonna cook more of chips. I like chips also. Okay, I will sip for you. Come over here. I will sip for you. I'm going to cook 1 kilo of chips. I guess it's done. Okay, let me put it here. That's not true. We need to put this in the freezer, you know. I see you live in Manila. Is that right, Mary? Yes. I'm here in Manila. I'm live from Manila. I live in the United States near New York City. Always.
You want brown coffee or?
Yeah, I want to. Yeah. Have you been here in Manila? Manila, Philippines, Tommy?
Why are you not like this? Why not charging like that? You know the iPad is dead. Yeah.
It's done. Look at that, guys. So much fish and chips. It's ready to eat for breakfast. Come and let's eat, guys. That's done.
This one still lab. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's eat. Let's eat, guys. We have our glass. We're gonna make coffee. That's our fight day actually for our
Bread, but, sugar.
really.
The healthy bread doesn't last long.
It is. Well, Jeet.
Now he's gonna do drama. He already ate outside.
Okay. It's soft. It's hard when, when I remove from the oil, then after a few minutes, it will be soft.
Oh yeah. Tilapia? Okay, so I'm going to sell in that one. Don't even dream of iPad today. You think I'm going to give you? He never listen. It makes me so upset. You can call him. He's just going to ignore. Like he can't even hear.
Leave him if he's not gonna eat.
Yeah, but he likes to be junk. That's the problem. You got it. I'm going to mop later. You got to sit. You don't have a game.
Jade, come here, babe.
Very busy, you know. Who invented cell phones? I tell you, this family. And you didn't charge the iPad, you know, is that you recharge. See, I got it.
Don't enjoy food.
Okay.
Oh, shut.
Because the white bread is there.
Why you don't you should eat like this?
So put it back. I don't want it for me.
Uh,
Oh, okay. Now I have this, so might as well. Because this is also. Oh, how many burgers you're gonna make? How many you guys don't eat? Yeah, you do burgers. Pass? Did you pass?
because
You pass the link?
I asking you.
My eyes, you always pass.
Mm-hmm. Let's eat, guys.
You know, that's how fish sandwich, you know that?
Uh, Jade, come here, babe. Jade.
Just ignores completely, like it can't even hear us.
How about them, babe?
Boss,
Watch your hand.
hindi ko na kailangan ng plato.
Hindi ko yung ilong. Yan yung tilapia.
He didn't watch his hand, you know that, right? Touch his phone and everything and make this.
Call it with the rice if you want. We have rice.
Huh?
We have rice. Oh. This is like mountain style. You want? You gonna have french fries?
They have dishes there?
Uy,
Ano po itang pag-aas ka pag hindi ako tapos sabihin,
ayaw mo kay kunti lang.
puput.
French fries outside you eat.
I know.
Walang ano, masala.
It's just, ano, salt.
That's for you.
Yeah. Ito. Yes, ito.
It's always light.
That's what it's called no waste time, right? Ano?
Huh?
That's called no waste time.
No waste time for what? Which one is mine? That? No. What do you mean no waste time? That's it for now.
Yan ano, Jed, kumusta?
Oh,
You like it or same thing?
shifting.
Same thing?
Just paying attention to his food.
At least I like this one.
I don't eat fried fishes.
You don't eat that. Very soon it's going to be just canned food. Yeah. He's not going to eat with us.
Sarap yan.
Yeah, you want masala? Try this then. Try with this ketchup. If you want, spice in your life. Good. Oh,
Uy.
well, the water finish, bro. You handed it to anyway.
Huh?
Jed, what
Replace the water gallon.
What you say?
I got mine. Oh, I should have done from my husband first.
Jed. Ano na, Jed?
Go for it. Think they have it? Yeah. You're just gonna pretend. You just take the phone away. I told you no phone during eating. You have phone every. Even when he goes to sleep last minute, he's gonna have phone. Bathroom phone, shower phone.
Yan. Wait mo tayo, bebe.
Okay, come on, replace the water here. He may not have. No,
You, but why me?
come on. Now why not you?
Because
No, no. Okay, are you gonna listen? Joe? Come on. Wash your hand, get the water, change it. Come on.
you have to be kidding me.
No, we're not getting. We are eating. And we washed our hands, that's why. You don't care, so look up.
What do you mean? Why is it always me?
What do you mean always you? You hardly do any work. You, you have to start making this guy work, no?
Saglit ang bita tungkol ka nga sila na.
Let his cousins come here so
Iwan
he'll be
mo na.
embarrassed, no? He'll be embarrassed when he see how much his cousins work.
Bakit ba? Bakit dyan TV?
Uh, you cannot lift that and you're always showing me your strength, right?
Ako na 15 minutes. Slippery.
Oh, see how many excuses this guy has. Okay, come. You see that now it's not slippery. Ah, boy.
Not slippery. I mean, it is slippery.
Don't touch. Your hands are dirty. Come on, wipe this. Wipe this. Wipe this whole thing. Top to bottom. You should open this first. Seriously, can you?
Oh.
Yan iwan mo.
Just a little bit more. Rusty. Okay.
Mawidis dyan.
The meat's okay. But I don't know if it's cooked or not. It's
Yeah.
cooked. Huh? Cooked?
Yeah.
See that how hard it was? Ah, hold on, you're not done.
Oh,
Just go back, go inside.
No, but upon it will take it. But what it will take. And I was looking. How do I put this?
You know where to go.
Ayun sila. Natin malaga.
Huh?
Natin.
Not yet?
Please not natin. Baby was so nice. Baby, very good na.
Hmm.
Hello, Bashim.
Hmm.
Welcome to my life.
Ah, so.
I'm fine. It's fish and chips. We are having breakfast. We are having fish and chips. Sige, babe. You want more?
So you don't want french fries either now, huh?
This is our breakfast. I'm live from Manila. Manila, Philippines. Yeah.
Sunday,
Mm. Manila, beautiful city. Yeah, Manila is a beautiful city. Also, Dubai is a beautiful country.
beautiful.
It's just crowded in Manila. The pollution and crowded, and it's very noisy. Right?
Sunday,
Traffic all the
yeah,
time.
yeah.
Traffic all the time.
Very beautiful. Hello, darling.
You done?
Huh?
No, I'm done.
I'm done, okay.
No, I'm not. You done, right? I'm done also. You done, legit?
Bago tapos na.
Oh, somebody.
What's the closure?
No, I did not anything.
Excuse me, guys.
What happened?
Just confirm.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, I really is it for?
Good night, four. You crazy. You make me think. Day four. Are you pregnant?
Let's have coffee, guys. I'm done eating breakfast.
So was your girlfriend coming?
Wasim Shah. I'm not married, but I'm not single.
What?
I have my boyfriend. We are living together already for more than 8 years, actually. 8 years, Jano? Can believe. 8 years.
Time to, I think it's time to,
Break up.
let's go. Time to move on.
It's expired date.
Come here, Dubai. Enjoy coffee together.
Huh?
Dubai is an open country,
What does that
right?
mean?
Like open country. I mean,
It's better than the other Arab countries. Yeah.
oh,
More modern.
You didn't do like Arab countries at all.
Yeah. I know.
But
But
because
yeah,
it's
most
not like I
countries,
don't like, it's because I'm scared.
most
you're
countries.
scared to go there in Dubai?
No, you don't have to be scared. No,
Yeah,
it's a safe country.
yeah. It's just same thing in Manila.
Very
Wherever
modern.
you go, it's not it's not
No,
safe
I
anyway.
You
don't
cannot
want.
compare Dubai with Manila.
Oh yeah, this is very
Okay.
more open,
Yeah.
and then
Dubai is more safe,
oh yeah,
more modern, because everything
and
is
it's very
new.
clean.
Everything is new.
What do you call it? The
It was only desert
the
before.
long building. What is that?
Ask him. Not
What?
long, tall.
The tall building.
Khalifa.
What you call?
Burj
No,
Khalifa.
a Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa.
How you know that?
See that, and you
My
think
God, my son is very
Common
smart.
knowledge.
I told you we need to talk to Elon Musk. Now you're gonna say who's
You
Elon
never
Musk?
watch YouTube. You never watch movie.
Who
Ay,
said that?
you watch movie pala. You watch YouTube. Or you watch TikTok. Dubai most safe country in the world. Oh
Yeah.
wait,
Most what say?
yeah.
Yeah.
No, I don't think.
It is very
I don't
safe.
think it's the safest.
Mm,
I think
Well,
the
it is
safest
because the
is
laws are strict, so they are safe.
Denmark.
yeah.
Not like over here.
I think the
You know,
safest
you
is
run away
like.
with the phone and the police is just gonna get to the other side.
Over here in Manila, you cannot
Every
walk
day.
like nighttime using your phone, especially your phone is iPhone. Oh my god. And especially here in Manila. I mean in the province is more safe than here in Manila because at least you can still walk there.
Over there is more safe
Burj
because
Khalifa. Oh, I see. That's the nice tall building. Mm. So you already come in the Philippines. You already visit Philippines before. So you know already how safe the Manila is.
Manila is safe.
So I said, you know already how safe the Manila is.
You just have to be smart like any country you go to.
Oh, you live in Manila, Tondo.
Oh, that's it.
Oh,
That
I
is safe.
saw.
Yeah.
We are in Malati actually. We are close in Tondo. Tondo is very dangerous place. That's the number one dangerous place here in Manila, in Tondo. Not safe. Yeah, it is not safe. It's not safe to walk, especially when it's night time.
No, for foreigners maybe not safe,
Yeah,
but
for
local is
foreigners,
okay.
yes. For foreigners, it's very dangerous
For
because
local is okay.
even if it's daytime, if you walk with your cell phone, they're gonna snatch it.
Oh, yeah.
There's no time for that. But it's more dangerous than foreigner.
For sure.
Yeah. That Tondo is the number one not safe to live because most of the snatcher and
They come from there.
holdupper they live in Tondo. It's a big squatter area. Out of the place here in Manila, you choose Tondo to live.
Oh, must be family.
Yeah, mostly in Tondo Street. Yes, it is. Tondo is close to Divisoria. I mean, Divisoria is in Tondo anyway. Chinatown is in Divisoria. This one need to put. There's a good opportunity here. You can see.
I'm looking for that and I'm like, what did this
Just
woman
ask
do?
me something.
Huh?
Sometimes they hide sometimes. You know, you need to ask me.
Take a nice one.
So you can have this tomorrow. First tomorrow. You can do whatever you want to eat.
Kidding.
Because you're the one gonna eat the whole of the job.
Oh, kidding. I'm so lucky.
Mm.
So, tilapia finished, right?
Yeah. Right now here is
So, look, there's so much,
12:34 p.m.
so, look, so much fish. You can't think this is not enough.
I thought it's not enough for you.
That's what we cooked that day and we were, Joy was eating also.
Hello, Ronpi. Good afternoon. Hello, Miss. How are you today? I'm fine.
Wow, there's a lot of fish.
Thank you. How about you? I go Chinatown and then I visit most famous church in Manila. I forgot the name of that church. It's Quiapo Church.
Mm.
We have two famous here. Is the Quiapo Church and Baclaran Church. But when it's close to Tondo, it's a Quiapo Church. Quiapo Church is the one is the close to Tondo.
I don't know if this is gonna fit here. No.
The Black Nazareth.
Look good.
Get with. Don't blow it.
Push it down, squeeze it.
Yes, squeeze it. Then I visit Cotabato. I never went to Cotabato. Cotabato is in Mindanao, Visayas. Visayas, I think Visayas. Oh no, Mindanao, I think. I don't even know it's Visayas or Mindanao. But I guess it's Mindanao. Cotabato. Oh yeah, it is in Mindanao because, oh yeah, because it's, most of the time people live there is Muslim. Yes, Cebu City is Mindanao also. Yeah, Filipino are sweet. They're sweet and friendly. It's easy to communicate.
That's why I'm having so much problem. They're so friendly. Like I don't know what to tell them.
They're
They all ready to
friendly
move
and
in with me.
sweet. And even though we don't know, some of the Filipino don't know how to speak English, but at least we can understand. So it's easy to communicate if you ask something. Yeah. So how long you been living here in Manila? Oh, 25 days. That was your first time or it's so many time already? Oh, you love Filipino ladies. Ah, that's your first time, I see. Next time, if you visit in Manila, Philippines again, you should visit. Are you in which kind? It's a lot of tourist spot here. That nice place to visit, like Boracay or Bohol and Siargao, something like that. Ah, so you're gonna visit here for 2 months. That's nice. All right, again, I think Wasim, I think I'm gonna end the live now because I'm just finished my coffee and I'm gonna make ready. I'm gonna get ready because I'm going to work also. Because I have work. I'm working. So I'm gonna end this live. See you probably next live. Oh, after 2 months. Okay, that's great to hear. Enjoy your trip. Alright, see you then. See you next live. So don't forget to subscribe my channel so that every time I will do live, you will notify. Thank you. See you next time.